Welcome to Joy Art for Kids. Today we're going to draw and color a super cute dinosaur. Are you ready? First, let's draw the dinosaur's head, a big round shape like an oval. Next, let's draw the big, chubby body. Make a round curve that connects from the head. Draw a long neck to connect the dinosaur's head to its body. Add short legs in the front and long tail curling up behind. Draw some curved lines to make the belly. Then add 2 legs behind and some tiny little claws on its feet. Add some spikes on its back. Let's not forget some little spots on the body for decoration. Finally, let's add a nose, a smiling mouth, and an eye for our dinosaur. So cute! Now it's time to color. I'm going to use green for the body. Use yellow to color the belly and the toes. Color the spots on the dinosaur's back with dark green. And for the spikes on its back, let's use bright red to make them pop. You can use any colors you like, make your dinosaur as colorful as you want. Awesome work, friends! Your dinosaur looks amazing! Don't forget to show your drawing to your family or friends. If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute art videos. See you next time on Joy Art for Kids. Bye bye!